Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape and I'm one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. If you've scheduled your dental implant procedure or you're thinking about it, one of the biggest questions is usually, what is surgery day actually like? What should I expect when I walk in? And those are totally fair. For most patients, the unknown is the most stressful part. So today, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what happens on surgery day from the moment you arrive or when you're headed home. My goal is simple. No surprises, no guesswork, just clarity. Before surgery day, we're gonna give you clear instructions so you feel prepared. That usually includes when to stop eating or drinking if you're having sedation, what medications to take or pause, wearing comfortable clothing, arranging a driver to take you home. We'll also already have completed your scans, planning, and smile design, so surgery day is all about execution. When you arrive, our team will greet you and get you settled in. We'll review your treatment plan one more time, answer any last-minute questions, go over consent forms, make sure you're comfortable and relaxed. If you're feeling nervous, that's completely normal. We'll walk you through everything at your pace. For most full arch procedures, we use IV sedation. That means you're gonna be fully relaxed, you likely won't remember the procedure, and you're not gonna feel any pain during the surgical procedure. Our anesthesia team monitors you the entire time, so you're safe and comfortable from start to finish. Most patients describe it as, I fell asleep and then it was over. While you're under sedation, we're gonna remove any remaining teeth that are needed, place your dental implants precisely using your 3D surgical plan, perform any necessary bone grafting, and place your temporary teeth that same day. Depending on your case, surgery usually takes 2 to 4 hours. You won't feel or remember this part, but it's where all the precision work happens. When the procedure is done, you're gonna wake up gradually in a comfortable recovery area. And this is one of the best moments. After you wake up, our team is gonna be fabricating your teeth and then we'll deliver your teeth. Once you have your teeth, that is the most amazing part. No gaps, no denture, a full smile in place. You may feel a little bit groggy, slight pressure or numbness, some swelling starting, and sometimes mild pain at this point, but most patients are surprised about how manageable it feels. Before you leave, we'll make sure you're fully set up for recovery. You're gonna get post-op instructions that are simple and clear. You're gonna have your medications for comfort and healing. You're gonna have ice pack guidance, a direct number to reach us if you need anything, and your driver will take you home so that you can rest. The first 24 to 72 hours is the most important recovery window. You can expect swelling that peaks around day 3 to 5, mild to moderate soreness, some fatigue, and we're gonna guide you on what to eat, and that's mainly soft foods you can cut with a plastic fork, how to clean your mouth, how to manage your discomfort. Most patients are back to light activity within a few days. One of the biggest things we want you to know is that you're not just coming in for surgery and being sent on your way. We're gonna follow up with you, see you for checkups, make adjustments if needed, walk with you through the entire healing process. From day one to your final smile, you've got a team behind you. If you're nervous about implant surgery or you don't know what to expect, I hope this helped bring some clarity. And if you're ready to take the next step, please click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We're gonna walk you through your entire plan so you feel confident, prepared, and fully supported. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more answers to your biggest dental questions.